Hello everyone. For photography, we use different sort of softbox. It can be parabolic, it can be regular softbox. But for the best output, we have to put our flash like this one, 8200 or regular speed light. We have to put in softbox to get the best result. So today I will show how to set up Phottix 85 This is a very good quality softbox. I will show how to set up this softbox, and I will show how to set up parabolic softbox. Really easy, but this one really bit difficult to set up. So I will show how to set up this softbox for the best result, or how to set up it for the photography or outdoor shoot. So let's make it. So let's open it. What we'll get inside it, let's check. This is the crate. This is the main softbox. This is the beauty dish. This is the soft fabrics to soften the light. So this thing we'll get in the box, and now I'll show how to set up this. This is little bit complicated than other softbox, as this has the beauty dish. We have to insert our beauty dish earlier if you want to insert it. You have to push our upper side. This is little bit tricky or harder, so you will get something like this one, and you can use just soft fabric or grit or both. For the time being, we will use now only this paper. These soft fabrics So our softbox is ready now. You have to get a as bracket to put the flash, and if you need a stand to set up in outdoor or indoor. So now we'll use it, our as bracket with softbox. So we have put our flash also here, like this way. You can use it like this way, and we can use, or we have to use a trigger to control our flash remotely. So now we can remotely use our flash also. So this is little bit tricky for the first time, but if you use several times, it will be really easy for you. So this way you can set up your softbox. This one is Phottix Raja 85, but you can also use your parabolic or regular softbox or any other company softbox. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Tata. Bye bye.